Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Android in your phone. Today we'll explain how to check first which SIM card you will use when calling someone if you have two SIM cards. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Settings. Then press on Dual SIM Cellular Network. After that, press on Call. Then press on Always Ask here. Now you already changed it. Let's make a call and see how can works. Let's go back. Go to Phone and try to call someone like this. You will find here option for which SIM card you will use, call using SIM number 1 or call using SIM number 2. If you want to call using SIM number 1, just press on this icon. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video explain how to check which SIM card you will use when calling someone if you have two SIM cards. That's it.